What is good, YouTube, and to my card world family? It is your guy once again, J Udell 12, guys, aka Bubba, and I am back with another card ripping, or I'll say pack ripping. And before we get started, guys, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash that notification bell for upcoming vids. And I like to thank my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, because without Him, guys, I am nothing. And definitely, guys, let's get into part two of the Stadium Club. I have the 1992-93 Series 1 Stadium Club basketball. If you hadn't seen part one, I will link it up here. I have it somewhere for you guys. Definitely go check that out. It's so many cards. I just went on and split it up into two parts, but so we're just gonna jump right back into these. I have the last few packs, that I have here. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I have 8 packs left. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this would be part two. So let's check these out. Let's dive into it. The first pack I'll opening up early on. I was able to hit on. I think I have two. I want to say 2 or 3 Jordans already out of those, but I think it may be just maybe 2 if I'm not mistaken. I thought I had 3. I had to go pull them out, but I got those sleeved up, and that's the card that you want. I mean, you have the members' choice cards in here also, which are very pretty good. Those are the ones you want to get. So hopefully, let's find some more MJs in here. So let's just dive right into it, guys. I'm gonna go through these pretty quick because there's a lot of cards. These don't wax cards, so the cards are in very good shape though. Let me set that there so you guys can see. Alright. And this is Brian Williams. This is the guy I think ended up there. He was missing overseas that they never found. I heard another guy mention that on one of his vids. But yeah, man, I wish the best. I don't know how that turned out if they ever found them or not, but these up to these, there's a ton of these cards. You got membership club cards. There's a Clifford Robinson checklist card here. Stacey King, Scott Scott. There's a lot of Hall of Famers in the Series 1. I'm gonna have to get my hands on that Series 2. I think that's the Beam Team cards, I want to say, in those stacks or in those boxes. So I'm gonna have to get my hands on those. So that's pack 1. Keep rolling. Let's see what we got. These things are hard. They can't. To get into these packs. Man, these things, they seal very good. But this, I mean, be careful when you open these because it's definitely hard. There's a Scottie Pippen on their back. But these cards are like all over the place. So, let's see. I'm gonna just go through and there's Kenny Smith. Good one. Anthony Mason. Wish. Cartwright. Got a membership cards. It's Charles Oakley. Big Oak. Rex Chapman. Don't Hutch. Scotland. Sean Kemp. Beast. There's a Scottie Pippen's member choice, and you'll see that member's choice down here on this side. There you go. It's nice. Scottie Pippen, slay these. All the Hall of Famers up. And you set the members choices up there. But yeah, my other set, yeah, I was able to get on some pretty good ones. And some Jordans. See, we got no more Jordans in here. Man, be careful opening these packs, because the things are sealed. They sealed on there pretty damn good. Let's see. Look at Kenny Anderson, TB, Terrell Brandon, Darryl Walker. Shout out to Coach and Euler. Check this card. Man. Go to these things. Roy Harper. Dale Curry. And some of these cards stick together. Jeez. Bernard King. Here's a member's choice, Larry Johnson. I pulled a ton of these out. Yeah, you got Isaiah Thomas. So some good cards. Let's see here. Sleeve that one up with the Scottie Pippen. Let's see here, guys. Give me a second here. Let's see. Sorry about that, guys. I have to change that. These things, yeah, these cards, it's very hard to get into these packs. Like, definitely be careful trying to open these. You don't want to bend your cards up. Let's see. Alright, try to go through these quicker to keep this video time down, guys. That's a Robert Parrish, a Hall of Famer stack. John Starks. Brown, Joe Klein, Big Joe. Alright, that's Derek Coleman, member's choice. Let's lay him up. Derek Coleman was a beast. Slid up. Let's keep going. We're almost through these, guys. I know these, there's a bunch of cards. With these packs, it's hard getting these packs. Jeez. Man. Hard to open these things. Alright. Insert. That's the picture. That's Patrick Ewing. That's the outline. Weird. Yellow shrimp. X. Turn it darker. Cycler. Okay, Rambus. Clyde Drexler, member choice. And then let's got. Gotta sleeve Clyde Drexler. We all know that the Houston team had a squad. 3 more packs. Yeah, I'm so sorry, y'all. This pack, man, that's so slippery. It's hard to even. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's hard to open. Jeez. Man, it's like these some of the blues. I can tell you, they did a hell of a job packing these cards, but they did a very good job because it's hard to get into these bad boys. We got Kilo. Okay. Dylan Beard. Just go through these quick. Trying to, guys. Alright, we got a Barkley member's choice. Pulled, I think I have like 2 or 3 of these, or 3. Alright. Last 2 packs. Excuse me, I'm so tired. A long day. Long day. See what we got. But these things so crazy. These cars are all over the place, man. John Starks, Moses Malone, Hall of Famers in there. There's some Balos, Phoenix, shout out to the Suns. These cars, they get stuck a lot, guys. Last pack. Let's see. Hopefully we get like a Jordan or something in there. But I've already pulled those out of there. So we are good if I don't pull another one. we got some MJs already. So we got those sleeved up. I'm sure I'm gonna try to end up submitting those. They came out in very good shape, very nice. Let's see. Darryl Walker. Shout out to Darryl Walker. Eula. Guys, we're gonna get on through these. Alright, Chris Jackson is a beast, especially in college. There's Dikembe. Member's choice. I could definitely pull some Dikembe's out. Member's choice. You know, Dikembe was a beast. Very nice looking card. These cards are in very good shape. That one got a little wax on it. I made so many wax cards. It's a freaking ton, y'all. A ton of wax. So, and I think we will end without a Jordan in this stack. Nope, that is it. So, there you guys have it. That is the Top Stadium Club 92-93 Series 1. This is part 2 of that. Go check out part 1, guys. I'll have it up there for you guys to look at. And these are the recap of the member choices that I pulled the last 8 packs. Not bad. I got Dikembe, Barkley, Drexler, Derek Coleman, Derek Johnson, and Scottie Pippen. So, with that, guys, we're going to sign out right here. This has been Udell 12, a.k.a. Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.